Welcome back to Point Blank Armor. We're here on a lot of Battlefield Vegas, and this is an update on our Merkava tank. Now, I know many of you became subscribers of our channel because of that great video that we've put out about the first Merkava tank in the United States. That was definitely a great, unique video, but we had to take it down due to some technical reasons. But I don't want you to be discouraged by that. Please be patient. Once we get all of our clearances in order, that video will be reinstated. But most importantly, there'll be more. We're gonna have an entire series on the Merkava tank, and we're gonna have more of an in-depth dive of what this armored vehicle is all about. I just ask for you to be patient and stay with the channel, stay with us, and your patience will be rewarded. We'll have a great content for you on one of the most unique armored vehicle designs in history of armor. So thank you for being with us. There's a lot more to come.